Hi guys, in this video we will see about an introduction to Flutter. So let's get started. As you can see, Flutter is an open source UI software development kit. It was created by Google, and the main motive behind that was to develop applications for Android or iOS, for Linux, for Windows from a single code base. It means that if you write a code for an application, and if we run that code, it will be run in Android, it will work for Linux, it will work for Mac OS, and same for Windows and web. It means that we don't need to write different code for different platforms. From a single code base, the application can be ran in various platforms. Then the key features of Flutter: it has a fast development. If we are developing any application, if we make some minor changes, then we can directly reload the application without running it twice. It has a reload capability. It means that we don't need to restart the application one more time. It means that we don't need to compile it one more time. We can simply do reload and all the changes can be visible in the application, which is a time saving thing. Then it has an expressive and flexible UI. Has rich set of customizable widgets which add the beauty to your application. Then it have the performance better than other platforms, such as it is compiled to native ARM code for mobile platforms, which almost increase the performance. Then why to use Flutter? Because as we had seen that it provides a single code base. Means if we write the code for an application, then it can be ran anywhere. It can be ran in Android, it can be ran in iOS, it can be ran in web, desktop, anywhere. So that's why it is mentioned as single code base. Then it has an high productivity. It provides quick compilation and fast development cycles, such as if we need to if we need to do some minor changes, we can perform the minor changes and simply reload the application rather than compiling it from start. Then it has a beautiful UI. Then it has an rich set of pre-designed widgets and which we can directly use in our application to enhance the UI of the application. And it is a robust framework. Next one about the Flutter architecture. So in Flutter, we use Dart as a programming language. It is somewhat similar to C++ or C. Then it has a widget. So everything in a Flutter is a widget. There is a widget for entering the text. There is a widget for button, for everything. Everything in Flutter is a widget. And it uses Kia-based rendering engine for high performance graphics. So as if we compare Flutter with other frameworks such as React Native, Xamarin, and native development, the performance of Flutter is superior due to direct compilation to native code, and it have faster iteration with hot reload as compared to other frameworks. Some examples of application which are developed in Flutter are Google Ads, then Alibaba, Hamilton Musical App, and many more. So this was all about Flutter, and we will see how to install Flutter in your desktop and start developing the applications in Flutter.